Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to promote specific items in Temu affiliates. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So by the way, this will work via your web browser or via your mobile device if you have the Temu mobile application installed. Now in this case, what we need to do first is we need to access the affiliate page for Temu. Now typically in their official website or in their mobile application, you should see a search bar or short or the search button here. So in this case, what we need to do is just type in the following, which is going to be affiliate, and once you've entered that, it should automatically lead you back into the affiliate program section here. Now in this case, if this is the first time that you're accessing your affiliate program page here, you might need to connect your other accounts like for Facebook or Instagram for you to basically access this. Now in this case, how do we actually promote specific items? Now what we need to do is we just need to scroll down a bit here until you see the section here that says share items to earn. So this is the same thing for mobile applications. Just search for the section that says share items to earn. Just click on pick and share, and that should actually open up a new tab. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to look for the item that we want to promote. So maybe we have this specific headset here. If you want to promote that, just click on earn up to now the following. And from here, what we need to do is you should be able to see the information here. Like for example, the item link, the stereo sound, and some details about it, the images on it. So what we need to do is just click on share text here. And from here, you could go ahead and just choose whatever here. Now in this case, you could go ahead and share this via email, via X, or via Facebook, or via Pinterest. Now in this case, you'll be able to earn commissions or rewards only when the referral is in your region. So in this case, since I actually signed up in Australia, I should be able to earn commissions if the referral actually signed up in Australia, which is something really cool. Now in this case, just choose whatever method that you want here. Like for email, just choose this one. Then choose your browser here and just proceed on sharing it into that specific platform. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.